Hello friends, we now solve two question of exercise 4.2. Okay, this is question number 5. Okay, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 semi less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 semi, find the other two sides. Okay, let the base of right triangle equal x semi. So altitude of right triangle will be x minus 7 semi. Okay, given hypotenuse equal 13 semi. Okay, now we know that in right angle triangle base square plus altitude square equal hypotenuse square. Okay, so base means x square plus altitude x minus 7 square equal, okay, or x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49. Okay, here all 69 इधर आके minus 169 equal 0, और 2x square minus 14x minus 0 to 1 equal 0. Okay, dividing both sides by 2 we get x square minus 7x minus 60 equal 0. Okay, now sign of x square positive and sign of constant term negative, so positive into negative equal negative, so we have take one positive term and one negative term to get minus 7x. Okay, now coefficient of x square 1 and constant term 60. Okay, now if we multiply on by 12 by 5, then we have to divide 60 by 5, so 60 by 5 will be 12, so minus 7x equal minus 12x plus 5x. Okay, now we rewrite this as x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals 0, or x minus 12 plus 5 x minus 12 equal 0, or x minus 12 into x plus 5 equals 0, or x minus 12 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0, or x equal minus 5, or x equal 12. Okay, since sides can't be negative, so x equal 12. Okay, so base will be 12 semi and altitude will be 12 minus 7 equal 5 semi. Okay, now this is question number 6. Okay, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Okay, let number of articles equal x, so cost of each article will be twice x plus 3, because given that cost of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Okay, so if number of articles is x and cost of each article equal to x plus 3, so total cost will be x into 2x plus 3. So according to question, x into 2x plus 3 equal 90 or 2x square plus 3x 90 इधर आके minus 90 equal 0. Now sign of x square positive and sign of constant negative, so we know that positive into negative equal negative. So we have to take one positive term and one negative term to get plus 3x. Okay, now coefficient of x square 2 and constant term 9. Okay, now if we multiply this by 6, then 2 into 6 will be 12. Then we have to divide this by 6, then 90 by 6 will be 15. Okay, so 3 will be 15 minus 12. Okay, so we rewrite this quadratic equation as 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equals 0, or x 2x plus 15 minus 12x plus sorry 6 2x plus 15 equals 0. Okay, or 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 equals 0, or 2x plus 15 equals 0, or x minus 6 equals 0, or x equal minus 15 by 2, or x equal 6. Okay, since number of articles can't be negative, so x will be 6. Okay, so number of articles equal 6 and cost of each article will be 2 into 6 plus 3 equal 15. Okay.